back. I hope you all are having an amazing day. So I'm excited, as you can see from the title down below. Today we have a brand new box, and that is the Motherhood Survival Box. Sounds so amazing. So before we get into this, I do want to remind you guys, we do have our 5,000 subscriber giveaway going on, as well as the thrift bag where you can win a brand new Betsy Johnson book bag. They both end on the 22nd of this month, and we do also have the makeup and skincare giveaway going on that does not end until like the first week of October. So definitely enter those if you have not already. And if you are new, welcome. I do wish you would consider hitting that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. But let's get into the Motherhood Survival Box. So this is actually a quarterly box. It is $49.95 a quarter. And I will put a link down below for you guys. I do first want to say thank you so much. They did send this to me for review, and I do greatly appreciate that. But it is a quarterly box for mom to show her a little extra love with every season. Oscar is barking. Hold on one second. Okay, I apologize. My dad was actually at the door bringing me some pumpkin spice donut holes. Yay! All right, so anyway, so it is a quarterly box for mom to show her a little extra love with every season. And you will get, it says Ultimate Box for Mom. You receive 4 to 6 hand-picked items, sure to make her laugh, lift her spirits, and give her the timeout she never knew she would want or would beg for. Bring some calm to her every day, crazy, because we all need a little self-care love. So it's obviously a great gift idea if you know a mom. It's about moms supporting moms, which I think is fantastic. And the items that you can expect to receive inside are going to be a variety of skincare, home decor, lifestyle, tasty treats, beauty, and mom gear. It is free US shipping, and they do ship to Canada and that's a $10 charge. Each box is valued at $85 to $100 or more dollars. So like I said, it's $49.95, free shipping to the US, $10 to Canada, and you're gonna receive $85 to $100, if not more. So I definitely think it sounds like it's gonna be worth it, but let's get in here and see exactly what it's all about. It sounds amazing, and as a mom, yeah, we can all use a little love and care. So my box cutter kind of bit the dust, probably because I've opened so many boxes, so I'm using some scissors. So wish me luck. Okay. I just realized that the logo is super, super adorable. It is a mom with a baby on her hip, coffee in her hand, and wine on her head. That is so cute. And the box itself, again, it's just pretty. Oh, and it says, "Love me tender, fragile." Let's see what's in here. Oh, okay. Awesome. Okay, so this is the summer box. They are currently selling the fall box, and they have given me a code, Melissa. Thank you so, so much. If you want to use, like I said, I'll put a link down below. And if you want to use the promo code SouthernMom10, you can save 10% off. That is awesome. Thank you so much for giving us a code. All right, so it says, "Mama, it's okay to take care of yourself. If you like your box, don't forget to share." And then you can follow them on Instagram and Facebook at Motherhood Survival Box. So there's that. It says self-care ideas for summer. Go to the farmer's market, buy flowers or local fruits and veggies, have dinner on the patio with friends, go wine tasting. Use SPF, create a relaxing space outdoors with lights, rugs, cozy chairs, a place you can go anytime and enjoy. And I have that. I love my back porch. It's a screened-in porch. I love it back there. It is just like my space and my, we need our space. All right, so then it looks like here we have a list of everything that is in our box. And it looks like pricing is included, which is awesome. I love when companies not only give you a list to tell you about the products, but also when they include pricing. So then we see this. We have a little thank you sticker right there. Super cute. And then this is what I see. So it definitely has quite a bit of goodies in here. All right, so oh, this is so cute. I love stuff like this. So the first thing here, Happy Summer. It's like a little wooden sign. So let's see. 7th Street Signs, Happy Summer sign. It's $8. Sure to make you smile. Place anywhere in your home and or on your patio to uplift those summer spirits. That is so cute. And can we talk about the pineapple here on this, by the way? Okay, so then we have, oh, I don't want to butcher the Suntegrity. This is a sunscreen sport lotion, $24 value, perfect for your active lifestyle, so natural it can be used on the whole family. So lather up with this 30 SPF sunscreen and make those memories. Natural mineral sunscreen, water resistant up to 80 minutes. It says for babies, kids, and adults. Wreath friendly, I love that. Cruelty free light orange scent. So you really honestly need sunscreen even though we're getting into fall. You still need sunscreen. So I'm certainly happy to receive that. And then we have from Nora Pearson, Boudoir Pouty Lip Plumper Gloss. Say that 2 times fast. $20. This is what it looks like. Natural lip inflation and anti-aging gloss that gives you that fuller looking pout. See insert and do not use if you are allergic to any of the ingredients, and stop use if irritation occurs. That's about the sunscreen. So it's in here somewhere. But so a lip plumper and anti-aging for your lips. I'm all about that. Yes, please. All right. And then we have Home and Harvest right here. This is a set of 2 rose gold reusable straws, $10. Excellent for juices, smoothies, or cocktails. Keep in your car for that coffee stop. Or enjoy them at home. Eco-friendly and easy to clean. Comes with a canvas case and cleaning brush. So here are the straws. Love these. And if you guys have been following me, you know I love the metal straws and I can never have enough. And then where's the, I like that they came with a little bag. It's like getting caught. And then that they included the cleaner, because you really do need to clean these little suckers, because just putting them in the dishwasher is not enough. Like you need to like get all through the hole. Ooh. So yay, I love these. All right, let me get it back in there. He's barking again. Okay. And then we have this is cute. And I will admit that this summer is probably the first time I have ever really worn hats. But I've been getting them in different boxes and I have fallen in love with them, especially when I know I'm going to be outdoors and need all of this to be up, and I'll use it like a ponytail. But anyway, Tiny Trucker Company, Mama Trucker Hat. Mama. $23. Go ahead and just count on living in this hat. The simple solution for messy hair and looking like you have it all together. See, that's what I mean. I just throw it up and cover it. So that is awesome. And then it looks like we have one more item in here. And this is, ooh, okay. This is from Wildflower Beauty by Jessica Beechin Hair Sea Salt Texturizing Spray. $12 right here. Giving you that effortless beach wave without leaving your house. And it is a nice frosted glass bottle. Always summer. Distilled water. All right, so spritz over styled hair and scrunch into curls for added texture and volume, or spritz on a damp hair and scrunch with hands. Allow your hair to air dry. Spritz again, leave as is, or repeat styling as desired. So, yay. So I think that was really awesome. And it definitely is a way for mom to have things that are useful and that we need, but then things that, you know, are for us, to treat us. Something cute so we don't have to, you know, do our hair every day. Because let's be honest, you know, we got the reusable straws, which are great. And the coffee runs, yes. The little sign is so cute, and how can you not smile when you see that? So I cannot wait to see what the fall box looks like. This I think was super fantastic, and thank you again so much to Motherhood Survival Box and Melissa for sending this to me and giving us the coupon code. So if you guys would like to order the fall box, again, it is free shipping. It's $49.95, but if you use Southern Mom 10, you're going to get 10% off. So treat yourself, treat your mom, treat your best friend, you know, it's a great gift for any mom, point blank. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts down below, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.